Want to learn how to buffalo plaid stitch using half double crochets? If you do, let's grab a hook and some yarn and we'll get crocheting. Traditional buffalo plaid has a dark hue of a color, a medium hue of a color, and a light hue of a color. So I have here a medium weight size 4 black yarn, a medium weight size 4 maroon yarn, and a medium weight size 4 red yarn. And I'm going to use the size I 5.5 millimeter crochet hook. I need a multiple of 4. So what I have done here is I foundation single crocheted in multiples of 4. To begin, I'm going to start with my dark color. I'm going to chain 1 and I'm going to turn my work. So what I'm going to do is in this first stitch, I'm going to work a half double crochet. In the next stitch, I'm going to work a half double crochet. In the third stitch, I'm going to work another full half double crochet stitch. So to change colors, I do that in the fourth stitch. So what I do is I start like I normally would. I yarn over, I insert into the stitch, I yarn over, pull through the stitch. When I have 3 loops on my hook, I'm going to bring in my new color. I'm going to drape it over top of my hook, and I'm going to pull it through those 3 loops. Now here's the key to this stitch is keeping everything nice and tight. So I'm going to pin my yarn tail back here with my fingers. I'm going to pull with the yarn I just dropped. I'm going to get ready to go with the new color. Tighten again, tighten, tighten. Now notice I'm bringing this black and I'm going to carry it over the top of these stitches and I'm going to crochet it inside of these stitches. So I'm going to yarn over with my new color, insert into my stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch. Now again, this black is floating and it's inside of that current stitch that we're working on. I'm going to complete my half double crochet. Now I'm going to go to my next one. I'm going to place another regular half double crochet, a third regular half double crochet, and in the fourth, I'm going to switch colors again. So now that I've got 3 loops on my hook, I've dropped my maroon. I'm going to get my black ready to go in my offhand. I'm going to tighten the maroon. I'm going to use my finger to tighten the black, and then I'm going to complete that 4th maroon half double crochet. Now again, notice this maroon yarn is going to ride across the top of these stitches. So now I'm going to complete 4 complete black half double crochet stitches. So here are my 4 completed black half double crochets. Now, because this is a short tutorial, I need to keep it under 3 minutes. And so I'm going to talk about how to do the color changes for the remaining pattern of the buffalo plaid stitch. This is row 1. This is the color change that we did for row 1, black, maroon, black. You need to do another row of black, maroon, black. So each one of these little squares here is 2 rows with 4 stitches. So we've already done 1 row. Now you would need to do another row of black, maroon, black. After that, the next row is maroon, red, maroon. So your repeat would go 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then you'd go back. And that's how you would get the buffalo plaid stitch. Again, if you need to see this in slower, more detailed moves, you could check out my YouTube channel, Hope Corner Farm Crochet, or my blog, hopecornerfarm.com, where I use this stitch in a couple of different patterns.